It is October unto X 2011. I'm in Geneva, Illinois, and I'm making a video of a freight tron as it goes through the station here. And there should be a METRA Train coming in a few minutes. Unfortunately, it's late. Trons are fucking cool. God, that Tron is going slow. It's making a ticking sound. Oh, the METRA Train is going to be coming. He said coming. Yeah, there's the METRA Train. Trons are fucking cool. It's exciting making videos of Trons. Trons are fucking cool. And the freight tron is ending at the same time the METRA Train is still here. The tron is leaving the station. Well, this is the final video that I'm going to be making of a METRA Train during this visit to the Chicago area. I have to go back to Murderapolis. It fucking sucks when a fucking trip comes to an end. I fucking hate it. Had a real bad fucking cough, shortness of breath caused by the anxiety of trying to do every fucking thing and meet deadlines. Oh god, I can't handle that. As I said, it fucking sucks when a trip comes to an end. But when I can make videos of trons, it greatly reduces the severity of the suck. And I like it if the severity of the suck can get reduced. I remember, oh shit, I can't remember the date now, fuck. Yeah, it was in late August 1974 that I rode a Chicago Northwestern Train to Geneva from Lombard, and that was so fucking cool. So exciting to be able to ride a Tron. And I was only 10 years old, and it was back before I had pubic hair. I always like to share those moments. And and I had Asperger's syndrome and until Evan Door. And I know I had Asperger's syndrome. I knew I was just obsessed and fascinated by Trons. Keep the video going a little while longer to the final Tron video.
You think? We don't know.
So I'm glad I finally got a video of the historic Geneva station. Well, I'm going to go to the railroad parking Rochelle, where there's like there's 100 trons a day. I don't think I have enough fucking time to be there, because I got to make it to Ponderosa, and then I got to get a haircut in Madison, Wisconsin. Oh God. Well, as I said, this is the memories of me when I used to ride when I was a little young lad before I had pubic hair. When I rode the old Chicago and Northwestern Trons to Geneva from Lombard, and I missed those green and yellow and Chicago Northwestern Trons, but it's better to have METRA than no Trons, but it was interesting, and I think look back on it. I need to get to Rochelle, Illinois, and see if I can make any more Tron videos.